Combining yoga and Qigong is an opportunity to take advantage of the best aspects of each practice while still honoring the roots and lineage.
It's quite likely that Bodhidharma, a guru from India who came to China around 500 AD and ended up at the Shaolin Temple, brought yoga principles and asana with him. Known in China as Da Mo, he left a legacy of movements that were practiced by the Buddhist monks at the temple and which spread across China. This is only one example of how the Indian and Chinese cultures blended and shared wisdom back and forth in ancient times.
We can learn from this and bring the power of each system together in a way that can best serve your body, mind, and spirit. For those of you who find some yoga asanas to be demanding, you can modify them as Francesco demonstrates here, but still gain a lot from the moves, intention, and stretching.
Take it slow and bring together your focused breath and mental visualization as you hold the asana posture. We use our yoga forms to help us tap into the pranic field and connect with the life force energy all around us.
Move into each posture with a conscious breath and keep your focus in your abdominal core. Allow your stretching to be natural, moving with your exhale and meet your comfortable limits. If you feel like pushing your edge a little more, then do it with grace and ease, being mindful of your abilities, body type, and physical condition.
When we start introducing a Qigong move in this set with the energy clearing form from the organ cleansing Qigong system, you can see how Qigong helps us flow and guide Qi through and around our bodies. While holding a yoga asana can help us focus and merge with the energy around us, Qigong can bring us the healing dance of movement that activates stagnant and blocked energy.
By switching naturally back and forth between Qigong and yoga with moves that complement each other, you can start to see how these two systems can support and enhance your practice. Of course, yoga moves also flow and guide energy. Just as Qigong can allow us to tap into the Wei Qi energy field, but we are showing in this combination sets that if you focus on yoga as tapping into prana, and Qigong as guiding the Qi, you may be able to go deeper in your personal practice.
Again, modify the postures and moves to honor your body. Make them a pleasure and not an effort. If you're in a position to refine your moves and push a little more, great, but stay in your joy with a clear intention on your breathing, posture, and awareness.
Imagine yourself more than just your body. Qigong helps to build what the ancient Taoists call the Wei Qi field, the protective energy field around your body. This ancient move is called the swimming dragon and is effective at harmonizing and aligning the energy field around us. Exhale as you reach out. Inhale as you draw your hands inward.
Move with grace, visualizing your moves and seeing yourself doing each movement in harmony with nature and in alignment with the energies around you. See how windy it was when we shot this video. It created challenges to do certain moves and even stand still. But life always gives us opportunities to push ourselves, to test our abilities on physical, mental, and emotional levels. This powerful move from the organ-cleansing Qigong form helps boost your immune system while harmonizing your complete nervous system. Inhale as you move upwards. Exhale as you move downward. Visualize the hemispheres of your brain in clear connection and your nervous system in perfect alignment.
This ancient Taoist Qigong form is called the flying phoenix. Inhale as you reach up. Exhale as you move your arms down. Exhale as you do your forward bend. Inhale as you bring your arms up. Feel your connection to the earth. Feel your connection to the sky. Your practice combining Qigong, yoga, breathwork, and all you do is your opportunity to connect with the infinite energy field around you, to connect with the earth and sky, to remember how fortunate we are to be alive.
Visualize the clearing and harmonizing of energy in and around your body. Allow the Lao Gong point in your hands to align the energy throughout your organs, bones, muscles, and tendons. We take a step back to make room for the teachers, students, and ancestors who came before us, honoring all that brought us to our practice. Namaste.
Namaste.